This is a nice keyboard for both gaming and working. This is the MAGEGEE SKY 98. You get a keycap puller, a cord, and some extra keycaps in case you want to change up the look. This also has the RGB backlight giving you plenty of lighting modes on there, and it is hot swappable with the gasket mounted structure. You also get the numb pad on here, but I do like the sound and the overall feel of this keyboard. It is a nice mix between gaming and working, but if you're liking this content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.